So you're working on your thesis. Once you've finished it, you can opt to publish your thesis online in UvA scripties, the UvA thesis database. You can then refer to it there, for example in your CV. UvA scripties contains approximately 40,000 theses by UvA students. Other people can easily find your thesis there and via Google. If you opt for publication, your thesis can be published as open access, which means that anyone can access it and use it. The UvA aims to publish research openly when possible, in order to share knowledge with society. However, this is only possible with your permission. After all, you hold the copyright. By providing permission, you are allowing others to use and distribute your thesis under certain conditions. These conditions are regulated by means of Creative Commons licenses, of which there are various types. Some apply stricter conditions for reuse than others. One frequently used license is CC BY, but if you want to exclude commercial use, you should opt for the license CC BY Non-Commercial Share Alike. If you do not choose a Creative Commons license, other people will still be permitted to read and cite your thesis in UvA scripties, but they need to ask your permission in order to distribute and reuse it. If you wish to publish your thesis as open access, you must ensure that you use images properly. Because of copyright law, you cannot simply use other people's images, but need permission from the creator. You can always use rights-free images, providing that you reference them properly, acknowledging the source. You can find these pictures via Pixabay or Google Images, where you should then use the Usage Rights filter under the Tools tab. Using images that back up your argument are also permitted, even if they are copyrighted, providing that you properly acknowledge the source. However, it is not allowed to use an image that does not support your text and only serves as decoration or enhancement. If in doubt, always opt for a rights-free image, or make one yourself. Then you cannot go wrong. Finally, you must ensure that you are careful when using personal data and sensitive business information. If your thesis contains names of people you have interviewed or names of test subjects, you must ensure that these are unrecognizable and that the information cannot be traced. Alternatively, you can ask for permission from the people involved. You should do the same in the case of sensitive business information. In Canvas, it is always possible, alongside the final version of your thesis, to upload a version that is suitable for publication, in which you have ensured that all personal data is unrecognizable, anonymized, or has been deleted. The subjects covered in this video are also included in the Canvas quiz you just saw, which you must complete when you submit your final version. If you indicate in the quiz that you wish to publish your thesis, there will be several additional questions. For example, you will be asked to provide a brief summary of your thesis. You can also set an embargo period for publication, for example if you wish to wait a year before publishing your thesis. Companies sometimes request this if you have used their data. However, if you choose not to publish your thesis at this stage, you cannot reverse the decision later. When writing your thesis, you should therefore ensure that you know in good time whether you wish to publish it or not. Remember that your supervisor will also need to approve publication. Once you have given permission for publication, you can always withdraw this via the UvA scripties website. Bear in mind, though, that your thesis may already have ended up in various places on the internet in the meantime. A Creative Commons license, however, cannot be revoked. You now know that you can publish your thesis as open access, enabling society to learn about your research and the education at the UvA. You have also seen that there are several things you need to decide or arrange beforehand, so make sure you do these on time. Good luck with your research and in writing your thesis.